Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one of my viral videos, how it went viral, how much it made, and I want to give you some useful tips and tricks in how you can create these viral videos, okay? So first of all, this video is this, about the World Cup winners. You can see it here, for instance, it's just infographic showing the winners for each year. Um, I uploaded it 6 months ago and it got more than 2 million views. Okay, so I'm going to break down what happened and how I did and how much it made. Okay, so if you want, I'm not going to mess around. So if you want to know how much it made, please do 2 million views. I won't explain more than later, but it made $68. Okay, this has a trick. It will have been more, but you can see. If you stick around, you will see why. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you the view count or the view numbers across the month. You can see this is, as I say, about the World Cup, and last year, 2022, in November and December, the World Cup took place. Okay, so I uploaded this video, as you can see, on 20th of September, 2 months before the World Cup started. I wanted to do that because I wanted the video to be already up there when the World Cup started, so people could watch that. Maybe I did it soon, more sooner than I should, but it's okay. As you can see, first of all, we got a spike that was on 22nd of October, nearly 100,000 views per day. Okay, so this was a very good start. So my video got recommended, more impressions, and people saw that. And then it went down to a normal of like 17 to 20,000 views a day until we got here to the first match of the World Cup. That was the 20th of November. That should be around here, maybe. The second peak corresponds to when the World Cup started, so people started watching my video again because it was searched a lot on YouTube, the World Cup topic. Okay, and you can see this here. We have the group stage, and then in the 3rd of December was 16 groups team stage. Then we got a drop during quarterfinals, but it got up. These two peaks are correspond to the semifinals and the final of the World Cup. So the final was on the 18th of December, so people started watching it again, and then it slowly faded out, and nowadays it's just doing like a couple of views a day. So this video is not relevant anymore. If you want to see that with the other metric, you can compare it to the impressions. You can see that more or less it has the same pattern. Okay, so we had a very good, in my opinion, impressions click-through rate. It was around 11% all the way around. You can see it now here, that it was really stable here. And then this started going down, or maybe not, but it started going down, but it's just because it got so little impressions here. You see, I put impressions here, you see that uh, it's not significant. If for the 2% impression rate, but with 48 impressions, it's not relevant. If here we have like 10% with more nearly a million of impressions for a single day. So this is quite good impression rate, and that's why my video got recommended more and more and more, because a lot of people that were seeing it were clicking it. That is what YouTube likes. Now I'm going to show you what you're here for, the estimated revenue. And you can see what happens here. Okay, so in order to have a YouTube partnership, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. That is exactly what I got around this point here. Then I applied for the partnership. I got rejected. I applied again, and it got accepted on the 7th of December of 2020. And then I started having some revenue. As you can see, I got $2 for 10,000 views. I got $2 in the peak. I even got $8 a day for 33,000 views. That's quite a lot, I think, for the niche or the viewership of this kind of video. So you can get an idea of how this video does. And also the important thing is that I got 68 or $70 with just a few days of being monetized. This might be one, two, three, five times or four or five that. So I could have gotten probably three to $400 for this video. But this is what I got. Okay, so let's take some tips for me to create a viral video. First of all, uh, you need to think about when to upload the video. Is you want something that to get searched for, you have to be there before you start being popular. So what I did, World Cup started being popular in October, so you have to have the video ready before that. So people when search for it, they can find you there. Also, the thumbnail, please be has to be a little bit catchy. My thumbnail was super simple. You can see it here, but it was because I wanted to get that impression to people that this is what they will find. If they see this thumbnail, they know that this summary of the winners, and also it's in purpose I cut it in half because I wanted them to clearly see it will be a sliding video that will not be like a slideshow, but it will be like a moving thing. Okay, so this is why I cut from in the half one of them. So this is what I can recommend you. So if also you want to see, for instance, the retention, that is pretty good. And as you can see here, 64% people were still watching in the 30-minute mark, 30 seconds mark. It was a 1 minute and 11 seconds video, so super short video, but it still got pretty decent numbers. So that's all for me, guys. If you want to see more insights of that video, you can tell me in the comments. Also, you can find below this video, and also if you want to learn how to do that, create that kind of videos, I can show you them. There's a video that does exactly that. Is in PowerPoint, and it's a very easy to follow tutorial how to create this video. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy that. See you guys in the next video.